energizing your soul through the inspired Word of God. This is your daily devotional reading.
Our Daily Bread. The Bible and the French Revolution. June 13th. The Bible is an anvil that has worn out many hammers. The Bible stands like a rock undaunted mid the raging storms of time. Its pages burn with the truth eternal, and they glow with the light sublime. The Bible stands, though the hills may tumble. It will firmly stand when the earth shall crumble. I will plant my feet on its firm foundation, for the Bible stands. The Bible is an anvil that has worn out many hammers. The grass withereth, the flower fadeth, but the word of our God shall stand forever. Isaiah chapter 40, verse 8. For the 50 years preceding 1792, little attention was given to the work of foreign missions. Now, new societies were formed, and there were but few churches that made any effort for the spread of Christianity in heathen lands. But toward the close of the 18th century, a great change took place. Men became dissatisfied with the results of rationalism and realized the necessity of divine revelation and experimental religion. From this time, the work of foreign missions attained an unprecedented growth. The improvements in printing have given an impetus to the work of circulating the Bible. The increased facilities for communication between different countries, the breaking down of ancient barriers of prejudice and national exclusiveness, and the loss of secular power by the pontiff of Rome have opened the way for the entrance of the Word of God. For some years, the Bible has been sold without restraint in the streets of Rome, and it has now been carried to every part of the habitable globe. The infidel Voltaire once boastingly said, "I am weary of hearing people repeat that 12 men established the Christian religion. I will prove that one man may suffice to overthrow it." Generations have passed since his death. Millions have joined in the war upon the Bible. But it is so far from being destroyed that where there were 100 in Voltaire's time, there are now 10,000, yes, 100,000 copies of the Book of God. In the words of an early reformer concerning the Christian church, the Bible is an anvil that has worn out many hammers, saith the Lord. No weapon that is formed against thee shall prosper, and every tongue that shall rise against thee in judgment shalt condemn. Isaiah 54:17. The word of our God shall stand forever. All his commandments are sure. They stand fast forever and ever, and are done in truth and uprightness. Isaiah chapter 40, verse 8. Psalm 111, 7 and 8. Whatever is built upon the authority of man will be overthrown. But that which is founded upon the rock of God's immutable word shall stand forever. This passage was taken from The Great Controversy, pages 287 and 288. Our Daily Bread. The protest continues.
I encourage you to be ye doers of the word and not hearers only. Thank you for listening, and be sure to join us tomorrow for your daily devotional reading.